Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a paper aeroplane. So first we turn the paper like this. You can take a A4 sheet like this and you can turn this like this and then other side also same. Once you have done that, turn the paper over and then turn it that side. Now it will look like this. And then you have to again turn the paper around and then also fold it like this. Once it's done like that, then you will do this part and do it upwards. It should be straight against the line. If your aeroplane is like this, then you can just pull it back and then again reset it just like this. And then you have to fold it like this. So it will look like this. Then you have to fold this wing here to this bottom part here. Other side also the exact same. Now pull it under. You have this slip, you have to pull it up. Now you have a paper aeroplane. Normally people would look at other videos and would fly not normally high. I watched the video and it did not fly high. So I discovered a trick. If you don't want to do it, you cannot do it. But if you want to do it, you can tear the paper a little bit here till this line. Other side also same. Then your paper aeroplane would look like it is one heart shaped, but the other heart is not completed.